Hello everybody! Welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys, there's a lot going on over here because I'm doing three things for dinner tonight. Our main dish is this pork chop that has no bones, and I don't know if you call this pork chop, but it's just pork meat that I pound because I am going to make I don't know how you call that when you make batter, and then I'm going to dip this in batter and then I will fry it, and that's our main dish. And I'm going to make mashed potatoes and gravy. I don't need to show you guys that how to make that because you already know. I'm sure you already know. Pretty much everybody already know how to make mashed potatoes and gravy. So the other one that I'm making is our side dish. I'm going to make corn fritters. That one I will show. So for the ones that are interested to see how I make mine, okay? So what I'm going to do is make some batter for our pork. So this is again guys, I don't know if this is pork chop, but there's no bone, so it's just, you know, I think this is called pork chop also without the bone. And I just season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and our chicken powder, and then I just pound it. So I wanted to marinate it first and then pound it so all the seasonings will stick really good to the pork. And so now I'm going to mix some flour. It's like you're making pancake. Flour. Since I'm only making 2 pieces of the pork chop, I don't need a lot of flour. And then little bit of water. And I'm going to season this as well. And I'm going to add 1 egg also. I don't have measurement guys, I'm just checking if the liquid is enough. If you want a thicker batter, put a little less water, but if you want a thinner batter, of course you put a little bit more water to the flour. So I'm going to season it with chicken powder. Not much because we already seasoned our pork. Onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper, and a little bit of salt. So the reason why I seasoned the pork and season our batter guys, so we have layered of flavor. So your batter has flavor and the meat has flavor as well. So I think I want this consistency right here. I think that's fine. We're gonna use our whisk again later for our corn fritter, and then we'll just put our pork like this. And that's it for our pork. And so for our corn fritters, guys, I have half a cup of flour here. Since I'm not making a lot, and I'm probably not gonna use the whole can here, just for one meal, one person meal. I'm not feeding Chris tonight. And then for our corn fritters, I'm going to add water, just a little bit first because we're adding egg. And it's okay if it gets a little runny because you can always add water anyway. Flour is what I mean. So just mix it. The reason why I'm doing it using the cup, guys, so it's easy to just pour the mixture when we are frying it. See, that's fine when it's the consistency is like this because you still have to add the corn. So we're going to put some salt, pepper, chicken powder, garlic powder, lots of it, and onion powder, and smoked paprika. If you don't have paprika, that's fine. Mix it all. Add your corn. Probably just gonna use half of the can. It looks so beautiful. And we are ready to fry our pork and our corn fritters. And we are going to cook that, guys, till golden brown. I cut it in the middle, guys, just to check if it is done. And it is done. So we are going to remove it now so we can cook our corn fritters, but not on this pan. Look, guys, it looks so beautiful. So I'm just going to finish frying our corn fritters. There's our pork, guys. And I'm going to put some mashed potatoes over here. Our corn fritters. They look so pretty. And I'm going to pour some gravy on our mashed potatoes. And and a little bit on our pork. And I'm going to put a little bit of dash of smoked paprika. I can smell the paprika. It smells so good. Here's our dinner, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's cut some of the pork. It's perfect. See how it is cooked perfectly. Let's try it. I think that's too big piece. That piece is too big. It's seasoned well. Seasoned properly. Let's try the mashed potato. The mashed potato is so good. It's buttery. I put butter. The mashed potato and the pork together. Let's see our corn fritters. Look, guys. It needed a little bit of salt, but if you just dip it in the gravy, that's good. You just needed a little bit of salt, but if you don't like to eat a lot of salt, it's perfect. It's soft and crunchy outside, but it's soft inside. That's good. Everything is good. I'm happy. One last bite, guys. The corn fritter the texture is so good. Really good. I have to say bye now so I can finish my dinner. See you again, guys, on our next vlog, next dish, next meal. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.